how to get BF1 Player's free trial. First, you want to go to your Safari, and here on the search bar you want to simply tap on it and search for BFI Player free trial, and simply tap on the subscription film on BF1 Player, and here you can read, and here you can also read that your start your 14-day trial. That means that free trial only lasts for 14 days. After that you have to take a payment. After that you have to make a plan. Simply tap on the website, and here you want to simply tap on start your 14-day free trial. After that you want to fill out all the information that the app is asking and simply tap on continue to payment. After that it will ask for your payment methods. You want to simply select your payment methods and make your plan over here to get your 14-day free trial on BF1 Player. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.